According to psychology, people who talk to themselves create imaginary scenarios in their heads and engage in full-fledged internal conversations, often consider this to be normal. In reality, however, it is a form of self-regulation. It is a way of processing emotions when no one truly understands them. The mind becomes both the speaker and the listener. It allows them to say things that cannot be expressed outside in a safe space, to rehearse words that will never be spoken, and to feel heard even in absolute solitude. These are people who imagine how they would explain themselves if someone ever really asked. They rehearse in their minds the answers to questions that no one finds worth asking. They experience all the debates in their minds. They win, they lose, but they construct sentences they would never dare to say aloud. Over time, they begin to take on both sides of every conversation. While this can give them emotional insight, it also creates a deep emotional loneliness. So much so that they become so fluent in their internal dialogue that they forget the scattered fragility of saying something aloud to someone else, risking misunderstanding. If this topic sounds familiar to you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to my channel. I'd love to see your thoughts in the comments.